For is 3.26 lakh crores. But with that, let's also bring you the mutual fund data for the month of November. So we just got this data a while ago and it looks quite weak actually this time around. So equity inflows have come in at the lowest level that we've seen since April of last year. So April of 2021, we have an inflow of around 2,224 crores this time. This is versus the over 9,000 crores, 9,200 crores that we had last month. And before that, we had 14,077 crores in September. So within this equity category, what really stands out as a figure is that the large cap funds have clocked in a big outflow this time, around over 1,000 crores, around 1,040 crores. This is versus the 174 crores of inflows that we had last month. Moving on from equity, let's also talk about the debt schemes now, because this category has seen an inflow and it's come in at around 3,668 crores. This is versus the outflow that we saw last month of 2,800 crores. So this is an important point to mark as well. In the hybrid fund space, we've seen a big drop. So the outflow is at around 6,500 crores. And this is again versus the outflow that we had of 2,800 crores. So big drop over there in terms of an outflow. Last, another big part that I want to highlight within the hybrid funds is the balanced advantage funds. And this is something that's quite a big figure. They have been on a declining trend anyway, but this month the category has seen an outflow of nearly 1,600 crores. This is versus the 453 crores that we had last month. So the outflows sort of continue in this category. If I talk about the total AUM now, that has continued to inch up. So that is, an encouraging point. It's at 40.37 lakh crores. This is versus the 39.5 lakh crores we had last month. So, this looks quite steady and that is looking quite all right. The other encouraging point that I'll just wrap up with is that the SIP figure is steady as well. We've been talking so much about SIP. So that's come in at 13,307 crores. Once again, above that 13,000 mark for the second straight time. So while equity inflows have really come down and they slipped quite a bit, Nisha, the SIP contribution looks quite steady.
All right, so SIP really continuing well, but we have to see the future trends as market is under pressure today and has